Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and I am just doing a Etsy update, I should say. We have finished finally. I'll show you. These are the JPEGs. That's the PDF. Finally finished this kit. I'll just zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so it's a botanical kit, of course, and sometimes I reuse things that I've used before because I like them, like those birds I've used before. And I just wanted to compare that they're pretty similar. That's the PDF and this is the JPEG. So they're pretty good printout. Now there's 8 pages as usual. Steph did the backgrounds and then I just put a few extra bits on them. So there's this one. Really love them. I'll just show you folded, and that one. Our usual style. Some things are from our antique ephemera and then other things are from the public domain. That one. Love that sort of collage of flowers. And I remembered my butterflies. So beautiful. That's a beautiful old piece of wallpaper that I have. And that's an antique monogram pattern that I have as well. And there's a bit of lace there. Oh, that Lulu drew that. And then these are little things that Steffi created too. So really gorgeous kits. And we haven't prepared it yet, but we're going to be doing a plainer version as well too for writing on. So look forward to seeing that one. And then that's the last page. And then as usual, we also did, I'm going to be working on an ephemera sort of kit to go with it, but we've done tags. So I've done the bigger tags this time. I've done those where you can punch your holes. And so, yep, I've done bigger tags. That's a beautiful antique label that I have and haven't shared it before. So I've done the bigger tags. So 8 pages with 3 tags on each page. So again, taken from the backgrounds of those kits and the journal pages, and then I've embellished them. So I'll just quickly go through those. And yeah, I did print them up also from the PDF just to see the, oh, here we go, found it straight away. It's very slightly, those look pretty similar. That yellow, oh no, they look pretty similar to me. So that's good to know that the printout is good on both. But just love doing that. I'll be doing more of those. And some birds. And florals, so birds and florals and butterflies. Oh, I love that. It's very soft and pretty. So there we go. So those are the new kits. They are in my shop and I can't wait to be able to play with them. As you know, I'm doing the draft journals, so I may have a random session playing with these, but at the moment I probably don't have much of an opportunity to play with them. But we are going to be working on more kits because we've been a bit lazy. Not lazy, just really time poor. And we've sort of let the kits slide. So we're going to be working on more. We've got lots and lots of stuff scanned, antique stuff. So lots of things to play with. So I hope everyone's having a great Saturday. I'm going to record some more videos now. So I will probably have another video coming up today. Thank you for watching. Bye.